So it says, one should not sleep in a house of study. When any person dozes in a house of study, his Torah will be torn to shreds. This is alluded in Shlomo's words, Shlo's of wisdom, Proverbs 23:21. Drowsiness will clothe a man in rags. Conversation in a house of study should concern only the words of Torah. Even if someone sneezes, one should not wish him to your health, to your recovery. In the house of study. Needless to say, the discussion of the other matters is prohibited. The sanctity of the house of study exceeds that of synagogue. So as you understand, it's a lot of information here. So let's go from the beginning and we try to explain. Okay. So Halachah number 9 from the beginning. One should not sleep in the house of study. 78. The Megillah 28a relates that Rabbi Zera, student, asked him why he had merited long life. Among the reasons he gave them was that he never slept or even napped in a house of study. So it's very interesting Torah Gemara story when the students they actually collected all of these questions to the rabbis that were asked over the years, how this rabbi merited such a long life, right? I mean, on one hand, like it would sound like, well, you want me to die? You want to take my position? What kind of question is it, right? How old am I? Like, how is it your business? But of course, those were holy people, holy students, and they ask because they wanted to have the same merit. So many things that we do in life bring different merits, right? As yesterday we discussed Birchas Hamazon, and we discussed what merits this mitzvah brings, right? Okay, so they wanted to know why you Rabbi, why you living so long, and he said one of the reasons he gave them that I never slept or napped in a house of study. So house of study is like a base medrash, yeshiva, right? It does not have to be yeshiva. It could be a place where people learn Torah. Synagogue, so it's not. I mean, people can pray in the base medrash, but it's not the primary function. Is to learn Torah. Of course, I mean you can pray anywhere. You can get 10 people in the room, and pray, or even outside. Okay, so but in base and medrash, so you're not allowed to sleep. Actually, I don't want to say no. For some people, they will. If somebody is studying there full time, so we actually allowed him to take a nap, because it's like his occupation. Otherwise, he would go home and spend all of this time or go eat. So we allowed him to eat and sleep. I mean, not sleep, but take a nap. So, but these things would not be not allowed in a synagogue. Okay, so but he acted very stringently with himself, and he said, I never slept or even napped in a house of study. Okay, the Shulchan Aruch Orach Chaim 151.3 allows one to sleep in a house of study. Okay, Shulchan Aruch Harav, Hilchot Talmud Torah 4:12, explained that this leniency was granted when a person spends his days and night in the house of study. Right. So I mean, otherwise, like if he has to walk half an hour to his house, take 15 minutes nap, half an hour nap, and go back. So it's like a waste of time. Right, so they say it's better for him, since it's his life is here, so let him take a nap, let him eat, let him do whatever he needs to do, and there is no problem. But for common people, it's absolutely not allowed. Okay, 78. So Okay, so continue. We finish with this comment. One should not sleep in a house of study. We explain. When any person does this in a house of study, his Torah will be torn in shreds. So that's a very serious statement. His memory will become faulty, and he will be able to recall only what he has learned in certain times. Rashi 171a. That's a big curse. I mean, when a person, especially when he toils and toils and toils, and they ask him what he learned, and he does not know. That's a very scary thing. This is alluded to Shlomo's words of the wisdom, Proverbs 23:21. Drowselessness will clothe a man in rags.